Hi guys, Jacob here. Today we're going to look at Nio's earnings call for the second quarter of 2020 and see what they've been doing lately. Nio's second quarter earnings call, we can see that they have sold over 21,896 cars total, ES8, ES6 and EC6 models. That's a new quarterly record, an increase of 111.9% year over year. In July alone, it will be an increase of 124.5% growth from last year July, which is amazing, taking into account everything that happened, the factory that got water damage in Germany, and in total the supply chain demands right now with all the chips that aren't on time. So it's all in all very amazing that Nio was able to deliver so many cars. And looking at future, looking at quarter 3, we can see that Nio is projected to sell around 23,000 to 25,000 cars total, which is also great, and their margins will increase from 20.3. Their margins are also great, 20.3% and 18.6% respectively, which is amazing. And we have to take into account that Nio hasn't even sold their ET7 sedan anymore. When we compare Nio's sales to, for example, Xiaopeng or Xpeng, we can see that 75% of all cars sold by Xpeng are sedans. This means that not only are sedans very popular in China, but in the overall market, sedans sell way more than the SUVs. And when we look at the numbers, we can see that Nio and Xiaopeng sold similar amounts. Xiaopeng just sold a little bit more, as sedans are more popular. But can you imagine when Nio starts selling their ET7? It's going to be amazing. It's going to sell like hotcakes. William Li Bin said that the on-time delivery of ET7 is on track. They've planned it amazingly. They've done a lot of tests with the ET7 in winter, so the ESP systems and the NAD system will work amazing, and I'm confident in William Li. In 2022, Nio also plans to deliver 3 new cars, including the ET7. So we will have 2 more cars. Most probably those will be the lower end models. With the new brand coming up for Nio, they will have a new brand for the cheaper models, and they will most definitely snoop up a lot of market share from Volkswagen and Toyota. The OS 3.0 will also be released in late August, which is also amazing. We've already got English language, but a lot more languages will be added, updated. And not only that, the UI will be designed from scratch, so we will have a new design. Mr. Li also said that they wanted to have like 500 swap stations by the end of the year, but 500 wasn't enough. He's now going for 700. So that's also amazing. Right now they've got like 361 swap stations in over 103 cities, and they're building at least one a day. And we've got like less than half a year left. This means they're going to ramp it up and increase their build outs. They want to have 4,000 globally. Can you imagine that? 4,000 globally. The first batch of ES8s has been shipped to Norway, so they will be sold mid to late August. They will be delivered in September. So we already know the September numbers will be way higher than expected. Just look at what it says here. Going forward into the second half of 2021, we will accelerate the pace of new product and full stack technology development, enhance our charging and swapping network, as well as sales and the service network to be fully prepared for the delivery of the 3 new models in 2022. At the same time, we have also stepped up our mass marketing entry preparation. We will enter the mass markets with a new brand. The core team of the new brand has been assembled, marking the first step of the strategic initiative of Nio. This says to me that the new brand will be a lower model brand, like a Model 3 competition brand. But this will be great. This will be amazing. So they will have market shares from all corners of the car market. Overall, you can't say anything bad about Nio. It's an amazing stock. It's an amazing company. They're truly innovative and they're changing. They're so fast, we can't even imagine it here in America or in Europe. We are lagging behind the Chinese right now. So let's go over to the finances and look what it's cooking right there. The most important points here in the finances are the revenues. Not only that, the margins. So when we look at the revenues, they've got 1.31 billion in revenue over the quarter, which is an increase of 127.2% year over year. That's an increase of 5.8% quarter over quarter, which is really great, and they are keeping on improving this. Not only that, but they've also got higher vehicle margins in the second quarter, which was 20.3% compared to 9.7% in the same quarter of 2020. This is like, you can't compare the two. This is totally different. Not only that, William Lee said that they will be going up to 25% margins. That's amazing, and it will only be achievable with the ET7 coming out. 21.2% in the first quarter of 2021. Amazing. So guys, to conclude the video, we can definitely see NIO has been improving every quarter, every year, with every car sale. They're just improving, innovating, and doing whatever it takes to become the best. So anyway, I'm just buying more. Each opportunity I get to buy more, it's amazing for me. The stock price is right now around $38, which it went low, but don't worry guys, this just gives us long-term investors another window to buy more stock. So amazing, I can't complain. See you guys in the next one.